What you're seeing right now is a Huion, and this is a tablet and a very much an entry level tablet. If your budget is somewhere under $100 US at the time of this recording, which I'm recording this in early 2018, and I recently bought this just for the purposes of this course, and I just wanted to share this with you. Actually, this is one of those things to where I can show you that using this tablet is a little bit different than using a tablet in which you can draw directly on the screen. So when you get this tablet, and I've already opened this tablet up, I just want to show you a few things about it. If I can get this open. So sorry about this. I'm kind of using a webcam, and I know it's not going to be the most clearest thing there. But again, I think sometimes for those of you that have never used a tablet before of any kind, you're going to see that this is going to be a little bit different. Now, as you can see, this tablet, whoops, you get a cord, and I'm not really doing an unboxing here, and you get a driver. For those of you that are brand new to digital art, don't when you get a driver, it's always best to go online and look at the driver, or it's always best to download it from online, always. And you this particular Huion, I'm not sponsored by them in any way. I paid for this with my own money in order to keep the integrity of my course. They give you a little bag that goes with it, and you get a pen. And one of the things, I'm going to kind of toss this off to the side over there. Hopefully this camera won't be in and out of focus, because the video quality of this particular the video quality is not particularly what I'm looking for, because I'm not actually going to draw anything. Otherwise I would get a much better quality camera. But here's a few things that I want you to notice for those of you that this is the camera, this is the tablet in which, and I don't have anything plugged up, but here's what I want you to realize for those of you that have never worked with a tablet. These are going to be, you have nibs that it comes with, and they are usually removable in some way. And you got a left click and a right click button. And usually with this sort of tablet, it's just one little USB to, I forgot what this is called exactly, but it goes into the tablet and it goes into the back of this. But here's the other thing that you may have to get used to. So you hear that sound right there. When you are drawing in particular, you will, and I know this is going in and out of focus, and I do apologize about that. But what I wanted to show you is that when you are drawing, you're going to be hearing that sound. And don't worry, because this sound in particular will dissipate over time. You won't even notice it after a while. Let me go ahead and move my, and by the way, I'm about to hook this up to my Mac so that you can kind of see a few things that are going on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right now, and hopefully you kind of find this helpful. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up to my Mac, and then I will probably see you in the next video.